Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I am here with one more problem statement, and that is quite simple. And we will go into that. Before going into that, please check out my channel page where I have uploaded certain different kind of problem statement and try to solve in simplest manner. If you like the videos, please like the video, comment, and please do ask your questions on the comment section, or you can directly reach out to me on Instagram also for any further discussion is required. And do suggest if you want to cover any specific topics for the learnings. Now, coming back to the problem statement, what we have. So I have a one table actually where it has a, let's say, category, let's say A, B, C kind of thing. Within A, we have a same number which is calculated or some coming somewhere. Let's say, let us assume, and it's a single value, 250. For B, likewise, the 630 and C for 100. So what the user want is for a given distinct value for a given category, it want a sum. So let's say for A, only distinct value is 250 plus B 630 plus C 100. So that should be the first case. The second case, that there might be a possible that a one single category have a different multiple distinct values. So based on this, so for a first take a sum of the distinct values. Let's say, for example, for A has two values, 250 and 500, sum it up. Then similarly for B, similarly for C, and then take a sum of that. So this is what the ask is. So we will solve the two problems here, the first and the second. Now, for first problem, what we need. So if you think that we want to go iterate over a row, not we just want to take a sum. So if you want to iterate over a row, so you cannot use the sum function. Instead of that, there is a one more function called SUMX that we have to use it. So let's see how we can use that thing. Let's create a measure. Let me zoom a bit. So sum by category. I should be using sum. It requires first the table from which table you want to see. So I want my distinct category values, and based on these category values, I want to see the each value for each category, which is my maximum because all the values are same, so that we can use the maximum to calculate max of the value uh, uh, here. So what it does is like first get me the distinct category. For this respective distinct category, give the maximum value for each section, each category, and then take a sum of that. So this is how you will take the sum by category, like at a row level. And or I would say iterating over the row. So I will just place this here. And now you can see this here. Sorry. So if you see for A, we have only one distinct value, that is 250. For B, we have 630. For C, we have 100, and that sums up to 890. So that is the first case. Now, what about the second case? Second case is like within a we have a multiple value. So we need to sum that. Within a B, we have multiple value. Within a C, we have a multiple value. So there is another way of doing the same problem is using the summarize function and the SUMX. So I will use that approach for solving this particular problem. So what I can do is like case 2. What I need SUMX by, let's say, sorry, we need summarize function. In that summarize function, we need first table, that is my check value. Then we need category because we need the distinct category. Based on this distinct category, give me distinct values. And once we are done, if that returns me, give me the value. So this is it. If you see, okay, let me correct this thing. Category. So what it will do first, I need to close, sorry, I need to close this. Here, right here. So what it will do, first it will create a summarized table based on the distinct category. For each distinct category, it will going to take a sum, each individual values. And for each individual values, and for each individual value, and based on this individual value, we will going to take a sum of these values here, but we have a different column called case. So just mention the case 2 here. So this is it. So each category, distinct values, and based on this distinct value, we will take a sum of these value using SUMX. So this is easy. Now we will come to this and use this case 2 here. If you see 750, since A has two different values, 500 and 250, B has two different values, 630 and 100. That's why it's having 730. And C has only one single value, that is 100. So that comes up to 1580. So this is how these are the two approaches that you can follow to take a sum by iterating over a row here. So that is quite helpful when it comes to taking a sum. Instead of column and row by row, you want to take it. So it helps a lot. Till that point, if you are able to follow this, please like this video, subscribe my channel, and do comment in comment what kind of a video you want to see in the future. If you have any topics to get more understanding, so I can take that up as well. Thank you so much. Thanks for the time.